Welcome to our first tutorial on creating a fan. This exercise is split up into 3 tutorials just to keep it in a more digestible format for you. Let's start by inserting a body. Insert, body. We see that it's defined as an in-work object when it's underlined. Let's activate the sketch tool, and we're going to work on the YZ plane. Profile. I'm going to create a profile. Something like this. Now let's click outside to deselect everything. We'll Control select these 2 points. Activate the corner tool. Enter a radius value of 10 millimeters. Click Tab. Now let's dimension our profile. From the center point to here, it's going to be 10 millimeters. From the center point to here, right-click, vertical, it's going to be 10 millimeters also. From the center point to here, right-click, horizontal, 50 millimeters. Here we're going to enter a 10 millimeter value. And our last dimension, 60 millimeters. And let's exit the sketch. Now we'll activate the shaft tool. First angle, 360 degrees. Sketch 1 is pre-selected in the profile area. Let's right-click on the axis, and we'll select the Z axis. Preview. Click OK. This concludes our first tutorial on creating a fan.